Encinitas today at the Mud House Pottery Studio. I was here around this time last year after serious flooding damaged the business and forced them to close temporarily. We're following through today with the owner about what's changed since, including their move into a bigger and less flood-prone space.
We were very fortunate to be able to expand, and honestly the flood last year was the impetus for us getting our act together and thinking, okay, we need to reach higher ground, and it was just one situation that led to us finding this space that just happened to be next door and a little bit higher ground. We still have the old space. We use it for production and storage, and we have a couple kilns down there, so we do some of our processing behind the scenes down there. So we still have a lot of equipment and materials that live down there, but our operations are now up in this building. Fortunately, we have not had any issues down there, and we're hoping that we continue to live in that good fortune. Last year, we did take some precautions. After the flood, our landlord came in and dug pretty much a trench around the building and put concrete, and now we have a rubber or latex seal around the building. Okay. So it's been able to prevent the rain from getting in through the bottom, which has been nice.
The Mud House is open 7 days a week here in Encinitas, and so far so good, no flooding this storm.